New BMW M3 CS Touring has just been revealed, and I can't wait to hear your opinion on this. And I'm breaking down all the details for you. Engine specs, weight, interior features, and yep, we'll talk about the price too. Under the hood, you've got BMW's 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, also known as the S58. It's pumping out a massive 543 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Type shit, right? Because that's the same powertrain as the M3 CS sedan, so you know it's gonna deliver some serious punch. With that kind of power, this car flies. And BMW's 8-speed automatic transmission paired with their xDrive all-wheel drive system makes sure you're getting power exactly where you need it. Whether you're tackling a mountain road or just flexing on the freeway. This shit is as precise as it is fast. Talking about the interior? BMW went all out. You've got these aggressive carbon bucket seats, super sporty but still comfortable enough for longer trips. Plus, the Alcantara touches and CS badging throughout the cabin remind you that you're not sitting in just any touring model. The whole vibe is part race car, part luxury wagon, and I'm loving this shit. And when it comes to the exterior, BMW nailed the look on this one. Up front, you've got a mean CS-specific kidney grille and updated headlights that just scream performance. The front lip, the air intakes, carbon fiber all over this bad boy. Around back, there's a quad exhaust setup that sounds just as good as it looks. Trust me, when you hear this thing roar, it'll turn heads. Let's get into the numbers. Weight-wise, BMW hasn't dropped the exact figure yet, but here's what we know. It's lighter than the standard M3 Touring, thanks to all that carbon fiber. It's not a crazy weight cut, but every pound counts when you're talking about a car built for speed. The M3 CS sedan shed about 75 pounds, so expect something similar here. And here's where the Touring really stands out, it's insanely practical. You get all the thrills of a high-performance car with the utility of a wagon. Need space for your gear? No problem. Family road trip? Easy peasy. And with xDrive all-wheel drive, it's ready for all kinds of weather. Now let's talk about the big one, the price. BMW hasn't announced an official number yet, but based on the M3 CS sedan and the standard Touring, we're expecting it to start around $120,000. And let's be real, once you add in the extras, custom wheels, interior upgrades, man, that number's gonna climb fast. But yo, exclusivity comes at a price, right? Production is set to start in March 2025, but here's the kicker. It's only gonna be available for about a year. This thing's gonna be a rare gem, so if you're thinking about snagging one, don't sleep on it. So, what do you think about the new BMW M3 CS Touring? Is this the ultimate performance wagon, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the world of fast cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.